A gaming laptop is slightly different from a conventional one as it tries to provide maximum performance and great thermal management. In this video for best gaming laptops under 80,000, we will explore some key points like which are the best gaming laptops under 80,000, detailed comparison and review of best gaming laptops. Also, you will find the links of all the products in the description down below, and we keep updating the links for the best prices available. So the first one in our list is Lenovo IdeaPad L340. The Lenovo IdeaPad is our number one choice in our lineup for the best gaming laptop. It has the raw potential to meet the demands of a gamer and has a robust construction with top of the line internal components. The laptop has a granite black color scheme with a dash of blue on the brand logo and a matching LED backlit keyboard. It has a cylindrical hinge design and has minimal display flex. The standard weight of 2.2 kilograms enables the user to carry it without any difficulty. The keyboard offers a tactile response and the laptop has two Dolby certified bottom firing speakers for maximum audio fidelity while gaming. The Lenovo IdeaPad is rocking a 6-core Intel i7 processor under the hood that is paired with 8GB DDR4 RAM module. This pairing doesn't fall short of performance in AAA gaming titles with the 4GB Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 by its side. It uses a combination of HDD and SSD which offers large storage space 1.25 TB and fast loading and boot time in games. To keep it in control, the laptop uses a dual fan setup to ensure maximum airflow inside the laptop. The laptop uses a narrow bezel display with a beefy chin and HD webcam with a privacy shutter on the top. The display can flex all the way back to 180 degrees and uses a full HD display. The display offers minimum glare and has a brightness of 250 nits, making it perfect for using both indoors and outdoors. The laptop quickly refuels its battery in just 120 minutes with the option of fast charging as well. The battery lasts about 9 hours on moderate use, enabling you to gaming for long hours. Lenovo IdeaPad possesses the vibe of a gaming laptop with alluring aesthetics and befitting internal components. It runs cool, supports fast charging and has all the connectivity options. It is by far one of the best gaming laptop for avid gamers. So the next one in our list is HP Omen 15. HP Omen makes this spot because of sheer firepower and great connectivity options. It is a well-deserved contender in our list of best gaming laptops and boasts of a proven performance track record. HP Omen adopts a minimalistic design almost comparable to an Ultrabook minus the weight. It has a solid hinge mechanism with an all-metallic chassis that attributes to the 2.35 kg weight. The all-black color scheme with the Omen branding mimics the sleek design of gaming laptops. It has a fairly large trackpad, making it easier to navigate the display along with a single color LED backlit keyboard. HP has included an AMD Ryzen 5 processor packed with 6 physical cores and a base clock frequency of 3.0 GHz. The laptop uses a 3200 MHz DDR4 memory that is fit for most applications and latest generation gaming titles, including the Shadow of the Tomb Raider. It employs an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Ti with 6GB DDR6 memory. It is comparatively better than its predecessor, the GTX 1650. It uses 512GB M.2 SSD which offers blazing fast read and write speed. HP Omen adopts three-sided narrow bezel display with side bezels having less than 5 mm thickness. It bears an full HD resolution with an anti-glare display and ample brightness. You can have an immersive experience while gaming due to the almost non-existent bezel on either side. The battery life is average, which is mostly because of the demanding components. You can expect a battery life of under 2 hours of gaming, so we would advise you to play while plugged into the charger. The laptop comes with a trifecta of connectivity option that includes Wi-Fi 6 and Ethernet port. It runs cool and also provides different fan profiles. The speakers deliver a tuned audio performance by Bang & Olufsen are not subdued by the fan noise. Overall, it's a good option among the best gaming laptops under 80,000 with a slightly bulky chassis. So the next one in our list is Dell G315. Dell G315 has the bare minimum spec sheet for gaming but enters our list for the best gaming laptops under 80,000 due to the high refresh rate display. The laptop is a blend of mid-level gaming components with an edgy chassis design that follows in the footsteps of the pricey Alienware series. The laptop features an edgy design with vents placed at the back and the bottom of the laptop. The black color had a blue rim running across the edges and the chassis which accentuate its appeal as a gaming laptop. It comes with a fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button along with the Alienware Game Shift technology. It weighs around 2.3 kilograms and is fit to be deemed as a portable gaming machine. The laptop comes with an Intel i5 10th generation processor that is adept at running CPU-intensive games with ease. It uses an 8GB DDR4 RAM module which can be upgraded later. The laptop uses a combination of 256GB SSD and 1TB SSD, both which provide ample space for storage of games. Modern titles like Cyberpunk 2077 can be run on low to medium settings using the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti graphics card. The laptop won't disappoint you in terms of uninterrupted performance. The laptop is one of the few ones to use a high refresh rate display of 120Hz under the budget. It is useful to esports gamers that want minimum latency and response time. It comes with a thin bezel IPS display with Full HD resolution and a 45% NTSC color gamut for sharp color production. The laptop uses a power devouring GPU that eats up the battery in 2 hours while gaming. On moderate usage, the battery life extends to 5 hours. Dell G3 comes with a high refresh rate display, a capable processor and graphics card, and an effective cooling system that doesn't throttle the performance even if the chassis gets hot. All these quirks make it a deserving candidate for best gaming laptop. So the next one in our list is Asus ROG Strix G15. Asus ROG Strix is a pricey but saves a spot on our list of best gaming laptops under 80,000 only because of unparalleled build quality. The laptop literally yells gaming with a befitting high refresh rate display and customizable RGB lighting around chassis. It pays close attention to the requirements of most gamers and packs a punch even with mid-range specifications. The design is inspired by BMW, surprising, right? The laptop uses a scissor mechanism hinge with negligible chassis flex on the display and the keys. It weighs around 2.3 kilograms and isn't the lightest on our list. The laptop uses a digital numeric keypad to make up for the lack of physical one on the keyboard. The laptop has a well-spaced key layout with increased key travel for replicating the feel of a mechanical keyboard. The version of the Asus ROG Strix uses 4-core Intel i5 processor which is paired with 8GB DDR4 RAM. The processor is capable running modern AAA games and is one of the popular mobile processors to date. The laptop uses a 4GB NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti that manages to provide good frame rates. Asus ROG Strix uses 144Hz IPS panel that offers quick response time and provides an immersive viewing experience due to the narrow bezel. It is a full HD panel with an anti-glare coating for bouncing off the reflections and has a good sRGB color gamut. Rest assured the panel won't pose any problems while playing AAA or esports titles. With RGB scattered all around the laptop, the battery manages to last 2 hours on intense gaming. A machine like this comes with daunting power requirements which require it to be plugged in for maximum performance. It has it all: a high refresh rate display, twin cooling fans, RGB color profiles, a ton of connectivity options with precise attention to every minor detail. This makes Asus ROG Strix a desirous contender of best gaming laptops under 80,000. So guys, these were the best laptops under 80,000 which you can buy right now. So which one you are going to buy first, or you think we have missed any? Please do let us know in the comments down below. And for more future updates like this, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.